Moleskin is a soft adhesive material that's great for protecting blisters and other sensitive areas on your skin. To apply moleskin to a popped blister, first clean the area around the blister with soap and water and apply an antibiotic ointment. Wait for your skin to dry before applying the moleskin. Take a piece of moleskin and cut a circle in it that's a little bit bigger than the blister. Peel off the backing and apply the adhesive side of the moleskin to your skin so that the blister sits inside the hole you cut out. Layer an identical piece of moleskin, also with a hole cut out of it, on top of the first one to create a raised cushion around the blister. Finally, add a third layer of moleskin on top of the first two, but this time, don't cut out a hole. This final layer will cover the blister and protect it from irritation and contaminants that could cause an infection. You can also apply moleskin to the insides of your shoes to create some extra cushioning in areas where the shoes tend to rub and irritate your feet. Measure and cut some pieces of moleskin so they match up with the areas of your feet that tend to get irritated. Carefully peel off the adhesive backing and stick the moleskin pieces in place inside the shoe.